Hi students, this is the first lecture with your topic or with your subject, new subject in the third year at Department of English. This subject is called Methods of Scientific Research. Okay, Methods of Scientific Research. I hope for all of you to be in a good health in this new year, 2020, 2021. I would like to welcome for all of you, okay, and I hope you will be healthy, and I hope that you all pass the examinations successfully. Your subject, which is Methods of Scientific Research, pay attention to this. I want for all of you at first to differentiate between two subjects in the third year. Most of you mix between them. Most of you students mix between them. You have methods of scientific research, which is called in Arabic البحث العلمي أو منهج البحث العلمي أو بحث علمي. Okay? And the other subject, which is methodology or teaching methods or methods of teaching. In Arabic, طرائق تدريس. And sometimes they call it مناهج. بعض الأحيان يقولوا له مناهج أو طرائق تدريس. Our subject is methods of scientific research. منهج البحث العلمي. ذيك المادة اسمها مناهج طرائق تدريس. أما مادتنا منهج البحث العلمي. So, I want all of you, okay? I want all of you to differentiate between these subjects, okay? Differentiate. Do not mix between them. منهج البحث العلمي مناهج وطرائق التدريس. منهج البحث العلمي مناهج وطرائق التدريس, okay? Methods of scientific research. Okay. What do you mean by research? Search. The meaning of search. Research means to investigate, to search for something, to search for knowledge. Okay. Before that, I want to tell you that your textbook, your syllabus will be this, okay? In front of you, in the screen, as you see. This book. And I think that all of you have taken this book from free education. التعليم مجاني أخذتوه. Free education in the department, okay, of English, okay? This syllabus or this textbook is called practical research methods, a user-friendly guide to mastering research by Catherine Dawson. Okay? It is the best and helpful textbook for all of you. And it is chosen by the Department of English. Okay? This book. So, I hope all of you have this book, okay? If you don't have this book, you can tell me and I will give you the electronic version of this book, okay? And if you can buy it, okay? It is about 3,000 dinar, okay? 3000 موجود برا, okay? If you don't have, you can have the electronic version of it, okay? This is your textbook. And you are going to study using this textbook, okay? In research, we are trying to gather knowledge. We are trying to acquire knowledge about everything, anything you see, about a problem, about a phenomena, about something in your mind, okay? So there are methods of acquiring knowledge. Methods of acquiring knowledge. And the ultimate goal of research is to acquire knowledge. Is to acquire knowledge. So, usually research we research to understand an event or a phenomena. What's the meaning of knowledge? Knowledge refers knowledge معرفة means knowledge refers to the facts and theories that enable us to understand and solve problems. Any problem. If you don't have knowledge, you cannot solve problems. And this knowledge can be obtained from different sources. Different sources. We have unreliable sources. These unreliable sources, like in the past, we have many unreliable sources from mythical, from ancient scholars, from and authorities, okay, from traditions, for example, from your relatives, أقرباء, okay, some or from poets, let's say, or personal experience without any critically evaluating them, or without any comments on them, or without any conclusion about them. So these unreliable sources are in the past, okay, and they okay they are without scientific notices or methods, okay. Two, we have reliable sources. Reliable sources, on the other hand, okay, refers to the scientific methods of developing knowledge through researches, academic researches, any research, okay. These are reliable sources. For example, someone in the past, or someone before a year, or before 2 years or 3 years, or let's say, or someone uh, conducted research, and he concluded certain points about, for example, about teaching, these conclusions, for example, the fear, the fear or in the fear of the small children, or the children in schools. Why children in school uh, fear their teachers, let's say. He conducted a research, and he concluded certain points about the fear, okay, why children fear their teachers, okay, certain points. He uses certain uh, steps, scientific steps, to reach his conclusion, okay. This is scientific method of developing knowledge. So you should differentiate between reliable and unreliable. Unreliable, something which is related to expressions, personal expressions, we can call them subjective expressions, or personal expressions. But reliable sources means objective resources, okay. They do not depend on probabilities. They depend just on scientific steps to reach conclusions about something, okay. This is about reliable and unreliable sources. Let's go to research. What is a research? A research is a systematic investigation undertaken in order to get new facts, opinions, or to get traditional information. So, do you understand? Let's go back. Go back to reliable sources. So, research is one of the reliable sources. Research, scientific research, is one of the reliable sources. Okay? A research is a systematic investigation undertaken in order to get new facts, opinions, or to get traditional information about certain subject. Okay? It can be defined also as a help for better understanding of the world and a more accurate perceptions of the behaviors of individuals and groups. Okay? This is the meaning of research. Research means بحث. Okay? Okay? Research. Why do we research? Next lecture, I will tell you why do we research. But a preliminary remark about why do we research. You have a problem. You have a problem. You have a disease. مرض. You have something. So you see that coronavirus, many researches about coronavirus till now, since its appearance, okay? Many researches about coronavirus. So we research, we conduct means نقوم, conduct researches in order to get facts, in order to encompass knowledge, in order to reach scientific facts by scientific steps, not by personal feelings, okay? Not subjectively, objectively, okay? This is research. This is research. We research because we have problems, we have phenomena. We have curiosity about something. We want to search about a phenomena, let's say. Okay, this is the meaning of research. What is the benefit of a research proposal? I'm sorry. What is the benefit of a research? Eliminate proposal. Okay, eliminate proposal. Okay, eliminate. What is the benefit of a research? What is the use of research? Why to do a research? Why doing research? Why to conduct a research? Someone asked, why to do a research? Why to conduct a research? At first, to undertake a project. We have a project, مشروع, as a part of employment. You are an employee and your boss or your chief at the office asks you to do a research for related to something, okay? And this is obligatory. Your boss or your chief asked you to do or demanded you to do a research about something, okay? And it is your responsibility to do this. And this is an obligatory case. You are obliged to do something. You have to do it. Unless you are going to fired, okay, from your employment. Okay? This is an obligatory case. 2, curiosity. You have curiosity and interesting in something, and you have a demand for more information. And this is optional case. What is the difference between obligatory case and optional case? There is a difference between the two cases. I will ask you a question. If someone obliged you to do something, are you going to be motivated? Okay? On the other hand, if you from yourself, okay, and you will, you want, you would do something, or you will do something, okay? You like to do something. Here the two cases are, or the two cases differ, okay? At first you are obliged, you dislike this job or this research. In the second case, you hope and you like to do something and you are motivated. So the difference here is in the motivation. Okay? What is the meaning of motivation? Motivation means the desire to do something, okay? And it is the optional, in the optional case, the researcher is highly motivated. Highly motivated means لديه دافعية أكبر. Motivation means دافعية. Okay? This is the meaning of motivation. At last, there is a question I want you to think about. How do reliable and unreliable sources of knowledge differ? Okay? Thank you very much. And this is the first lecture for you. I hope that you have get benefit from you. Thank you very much.